cute.
That's
Just
a
say
lie.
you're
I
cute.
promised myself in front of God not to lie.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Look at my baby in his clothes still from yesterday. Come here. Good morning.
Mama?
Yeah. It's Papa's shoes. Mm. Where are you off to with Papa's shoes? Huh? Oh my god, you're so funny. Hi fams, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I woke up way past my workout time this morning and I am super tired, but in the back of my head I'm telling myself to put my workout off until in the afternoon. But then I'm saying, what do I have to lose? Just go ahead and do it either ways, because I know I have so much stuff to do today. So I'm just going to put my workout in now and get it over with. So I'm just getting ready to go for a morning run on the treadmill, because baby's off to work as usual, so I can't run outside today like I did Saturday. And I am so sore. My muscles are so sore from Saturday workout, but that's because it was the first time I'm doing a workout like that. I think that's why I'm feeling the effects now. But if I don't continue to work out on it, then the soreness won't go away. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Hopefully you guys get your workout in. Just get it done. And yeah, I'm just going to jump on this treadmill real quick, and then I'll catch you guys after workout. My friends, is a perfect way to start my morning. Hey, what's up you guys? You know, when I start my morning like this, I'm about to have a really good day. Just looking at the beach outside, it's going to be an amazing day. The weather is looking really good. Just take a look outside. Look outside, look at that. It's about to be a really good day. It is sunny, it is bright, everything is looking vibrant and beautiful outside. So we're about to have a good day. It is now almost 11 a.m. and I'm just about to have breakfast because I woke up really late this morning. I guess Tyler was very tired. I depend on Tyler to wake me up in the mornings because he's my alarm clock, but this morning he didn't wake up until after 8. And
Mama!
yes my love. I guess he was really tired yesterday, but I'm in the kitchen making some breakfast really quick. I have so much things to do today, so I'm just going to make this breakfast and just jump right into my day. I have to give Tyler a bath. I have to feed him lunch in an hour. I have to tidy up the house because that's my morning routine. That's what I do the first thing in the morning after working out. Tidy up the house to get my day really flowing. So I have all that to do, but first let's get some breakfast in. Of course, as usual, I'm having my usual breakfast, nothing too fancy. Yes, baby, mom is coming. I'm just having some eggs with some mixed fruits and a little raisins on my eggs and some detox. Yes, baby, you're just there with your sexiness calling mama. Mama is coming. Go on. Go. Go. Come. You guys, man, speak about a busy morning. I am so busy. Yes, you want a nap? Let's go nap. I have been so busy, but that's okay. I am about to now go give Tyler a bath. I'm done for a nap. And then I have these clothes to come and iron after I finish all that. I'll have to get done today, but that's okay. I'm on a roll, so let's do this. Done for a nap, so it's time for me to go and iron all these clothes over here for babe. And then hopefully I finish before Tyler wakes up. That way I can make myself some lunch and start getting some other work done. The job never ends when you stay at home. It's just crazy sometimes the amount of things you have to get done, but it's good for to keep yourself active, to keep your mind busy and not just sit down and stress about things and think about things that you shouldn't be thinking about. So staying at home and being busy is really, really good. So yeah, enough of that chit chatting and let's get straight into ironing these clothes. Okay, you guys, so that job is done and Tyler is still fast asleep, so that's good. Now it gives me a good opportunity to go and make some lunch. Now I took out some fish, so I think I'm gonna have fish and some veggies. Okay, you guys, so that's lunch for today. So all that I'm having for lunch is this right here is some steamed cabbage and different steamed cabbage and carrots and tomatoes that we had for dinner from last night, and babe put in the fridge because he said I gave him too much, so that's just a little leftovers. I have tomatoes, I have some pieces of fish and lettuce right there. That's as simple as lunch gets for today. So it's about to go down right now. I'm gonna eat before Tyler wakes up. And on that note, I'm just going to give you the Jamaican expression real quick for today. So the Jamaican expression for today is broke out. Broke out simple means to misbehave. So if somebody is misbehaving, then broke out. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. And when babe gets home later, he'll give you his spin on the Jamaican expression. So I'm about to go have my lunch right now and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay. Boo. 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 Give me a kiss. I love you. I love you. Boo. Boo. Okay, Fav, so it's that time of the day where I make dinner for the family, and today for dinner I am making some mashed Irish potatoes for Tyler. Over here I'm making some stewed chicken for Babe and I, which I'm just going to throw some season on real quick. Onions and some garlic in there. Alright, and then I'm just going to cover this, let that cook. And over here I'm going to be making some steamed veg. Of course, I'm going to pour a little olive oil in, throw in these seasonings. I'm just going to throw everything in right away, all at once. And we have some carrots, we have some broccoli, and we have some zucchini. So that's what we're steaming to go with the stewed chicken for dinner for tonight. We're just chunking everything in. You want to get away, carrots? Alright. And I'm gonna add some salt to that. And then we're just gonna cover this and let this steam. Okay, you guys, dinner is ready and everybody's happy. Pow! That's dinner for tonight. Guys, my king is home.
Hi guys. Just come back from work and it's almost 8 p.m.
Tyler bedtime. Just in time for
Yeah,
Tyler's bedtime.
Just reaching in time so I can enjoy some of this hot in this house.
Cause the heater is on, babe.
Yeah, well,
I just turned it down.
it's very hot. So I'm just here going to change my clothes to make me feel comfortable. Spending a little moment with Tyler before going to bed. Calling
He's
me.
down there. Calling Papa.
I'm gonna eat and relax. That's the plan for tonight.
Alright, you guys, so baby's home. So I'm going to give Tyler a bath while baby's having his dinner because I'm sure he's hungry, and then put my little prince to bed. So it's hubby and me time. Come, Tyler, it's bedtime, baby. Come say bye-bye. Say good night. Say abwa.
Bye-bye.
Look.
Hi guys.
It's the end of the vlog.
End of the day.
The end of the day. I just finished cooking babe at Domino's.
She kicked me like 4 victory to do.
It doesn't really matter. I kick you still.
No.
Not very often I can get to say that. So give me my credit where it's
You
due.
won. I want to kick,
So,
but you won.
say I kick you.
You won.
Say I kick you.
You won.
Baby.
Yes, love.
Can you say I kick you, please?
You won.
Baby, be
Okay,
nice.
you won. You kick my ass 4 victories. to
No,
2.
don't say how much. Just say I kick you.
that's
Just
a
say
lie.
I kick
I
you.
promised myself in front of God not to lie.
It's
So,
not lying.
of course
Just
it's
say I
lying.
kick you.
You
How is
can't-
it lying?
4 to 2 is not kicking.
Then what is it? Once you win is kicking. It don't really matter by how much.
Okay.
Just say I kick you.
No.
He's a hard-headed one. He doesn't want to say I kick him. So Tyler's long off to bed, and we're about to head in bed right now. I just finished kicking babe at Domino. Babe, the Jamaican expression for today is broke out.
Broke out.
Broke
Broke
out.
out.
Yes. Broke out. You know what broke out mean? To misbehave, to behave badly. So let me give you a good example.
Not just broke out by not.
No. That's not broken out. Let me give you a good example. You see, when we're in a party in Jamaica and how Jamaican dance and behave badly, that's broken out.
Okay.
So that's the Jamaican expression for today, guys. I hope you get it. There you have babes take on broke out. Don't broke out tonight. Just go to your bed, okay? Alright, you guys, we're just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and catch up and keep up with us, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.